Hey there, welcome to another episode of Tech Time with AM360. I'm your host, 360, and today we have a smartphone that's going to rock your world. Buckle up, because we're about to take a wild ride with the incredible vivo Y36. Hold on tight, guys, because this phone is a beauty. Let's start with its brain power. The vivo Y36 is powered by the Snapdragon 680 processor. It's like having a tiny superhero inside your phone, ready to zoom through tasks faster than a speeding bullet. Now, let's talk memory. This device comes in two options: 4 GB or 8 GB of RAM, along with a storage capacity of either 128 GB or a whopping 256 GB. It's like having your own personal data warehouse. And wait, there's more! Feast your eyes on the battery life of this bad boy. With a massive 5,000 mAh, this phone could probably power a small city for a day. And when it comes to charging, strap in, because the vivo Y36 is equipped with a 44-watt charging power. It's like a turbo boost for your phone. Let's talk style. The vivo Y36 is available in 3 stunning colors: Meteor Black, Vibrant Gold, and Glitter Aqua. It's like having a pocket-sized fashion show at your fingertips. Moving swiftly to the operating system. The vivo Y36 runs on FunTouch OS 13, based on the magnificent Android 13. It's like having a party planner in your pocket, making your smartphone experience smooth and enjoyable. Vivo Y36's dazzling display with its 6.64-inch LCD screen. It's like having a mini movie theater in your hands. And with a resolution of 2388 by 1080, you'll feel like you're diving right into your favorite movies and games, helping you remember your special day. The vivo Y36 boasts a 16-megapixel front camera, perfect for capturing your best selfies. Strike a pose and let the world see your fabulousness. On the back, we have a triple camera setup that will make your photography dreams come true. A 50-megapixel main camera, accompanied by a 2-megapixel bokeh lens and a 2-megapixel macro lens. It's like having a professional photographer in your pocket, ready to capture every amazing moment. And with a wide range of scene modes, from stunning night shots to beautiful portraits, the vivo Y36 has got you covered for any photo opportunity that comes your way. So, my tech-savvy amigos, if you're ready to step up your smartphone game, the vivo Y36 is the way to go. It's powerful, stylish, and ready to be your ultimate companion on all your adventures. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Time with M360. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this hype-filled review. Until next time, stay tuned for more tech awesomeness.